How can you gain muscle when you are skinny? Like I used to be. I got 3 very, very good and effective ways to build muscle when you're skinny. And welcome to the Camden Kingdom. Yo, what's good, kings and queens? Welcome back to the kingdom. The first and most important tip to building and gaining muscle when you're skinny, or anything really, is your diet. You have to make sure you're eating healthy, good food and protein, getting the right nutrients into your body to help build those muscles up and define your body. And to that, we go to the most important meal of the day, breakfast. Here's my breakfast. All right, we're making eggs today for breakfast, so let's just crack them up. Oh shoot, that was close. 2 eggs in the pan. Alright, while that's mixing, we're gonna make some toast. 2 pieces. And then we're gonna make some bacon. 2. Now the eggs should be cooking a little bit more. Just flip those. Alright, so the eggs should be done. So we're just gonna pour them on to the plate right there. Now the toast is done, so we're going to put the toast as well. Let's get the bacon on. Just like that. Does anybody else put syrup on their eggs, or no? Just me? Okay. A blueberry. 2%. It's good and low fat, so it's a perfect healthy breakfast if you're trying to gain protein so you can build muscle. So yeah, I mean, you have to have a good diet, good food in your body to help build those muscles and give you the right things to transform your body. Just a couple months ago, I was waking up and just eating like donuts and cinnamon rolls and stuff like that. And then I had a talk with my best friend Evan. He helped me to find some good foods that I could eat every day to, you know, get bigger. It's so important, trust me. Alright, number 2 is straightforward. It is consistency in the gym. Okay guys, about to work out. I did hurt my lower back, so I can't do much. I'm just gonna do some arms because I don't want to lose the muscle. Because consistency is the most important thing when you're trying to build muscle. Even when you get hurt, if it's a certain area, try to still work the other areas to get your muscles still moving, because I don't want to lose this just because I hurt my lower back. So I'm going to do some sitting down arm stuff. Consistency is how you build muscle. If you keep going, it builds over time. But if you take breaks and stop, you're going to notice that you lost a little bit of muscle. But if you stay consistent and keep going, working out, you're going to keep building it. Over time, muscle builds, so stay consistent. When you're done with your workout, the next thing is your post-workout protein. So hold on, yes, working out will build muscle, but having the post-workout protein will help recover your muscles to build even bigger. Having some kind of protein, it helps build that muscle back up, because when you're working out, you're breaking down your muscles so they can build up bigger. So having that protein helps build them back up even bigger. What I do is like a banana and then muscle milk. Vanilla flavor is my favorite. And then if you didn't want to do that, you can make some kind of protein shake out of like a banana, protein powder, milk, and like peanut butter. And that's it. This tip is like one of the most important things, because I used to just work out and not have a post-workout at all. I would just work out. But like a month ago, I started having a post-workout meal shake. And honestly, it's working. Alright, so those are like the top 3 ways you can build muscle when you're skinny and need more muscle on you. Just remember your diet, consistency, and post-workout protein. You can also add like 25 push-ups in the morning and at night. You'll see improvements in your chest after like a couple weeks. It's crazy. If you liked what you got out of this video and want more, click that subscribe button below. Join the kingdom. We're close to 1.5K. Become a king and smash the like button. We'll see you guys next time. Peace!